Dear students, here we are going to learn digital to analog conversion. Digital to analog conversion. First of all, terminology. What is analog signal? What is digital signal? Analog signal, it means continuous valued signal such as temperature or speed with infinite positive values in between. Digital signal, discrete value signals such as integer encoding in binary. Digital analog converter, that is digital to analog converter, D-to-A converter. Now in the real world we can say analog signal are physical representation of data which is mentioned in diagram, that is analog signal. You can say it is a one kind of sine wave. An analog signal is defined as a signal having continuous value. They can have infinite number of different values. Analog signals like temperature, sound, current, pressure, brightness, power, distance, voltage, it is called analog signals. In terms of signal, we can say a signal is a physical quantity which contains some information and which is a function of one or more independent variable. Signals mainly divide analog and digital. Digital signals which are considered as a binary value in terms of 0 and 1. Now digital to analog conversion, DAC. First of all we can say what is DAC. A digital to analog converter takes take a digit code as an input and produce an analog voltage or current as an output. This analog output is proportional to the digital signal. Here we can say in block diagram where we are giving input as a binary signals for binary values, that is 1 0 0 1 0 1, etc. Input it into the DAC circuit, that is digital to analog conversion, and it is going to produce sine wave, or you can say it is one kind of analog signal. It can be generated according to input term of binary values. General concept, digital to analog conversion involves transforming the computer's binary output in zeros and ones, ones typically 5.0 volt, into analog representation of binary data, and 0 representing 0 volts. 0 can be a low and 1 can be a high. So first typical 5.0 volt, that is called high voltage, and 0 volt, that is called low voltage. And digital inputs for digital encoding, DAC contain, here we have block diagram where x0 to xn minus 1 are digital input, where and digit input for digital encoding, analog input for Vmax, and analog output that is taking from here. It is simple block diagram of DAC. Now block diagram in which binary input, here DAC, that is digital analog conversion circuit. Here we are providing ground and we are getting analog signal as output. It is simple block diagram in which we can say binary input and analog output. Now resolution is the amount of variance in output voltage for every changing of the LSB in the digital input. Just as With analog to digital converter, there are several common ways to specify an DAC resolution: number of bits n, number of outputs 4 2 raised to n, number of steps into output, that is 2 raised to n minus 1, percentage of resolution, that is 1 by 2 raised to n minus 1, expressed as a percentage step size equal to V reference divided by 2 raised to n minus 1. Here we have a simple example, that is find out the percentage resolution of DAC n bits and hence determine the value for n equal to 12. A solution of percentage resolution equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 9 into 100% for n equal to 12. So we can say 1 upon 2 raised to 12 minus 1. So into 100% equal to, it is 0.0244% equal to 244 ppm, that is part per million. Answer will be 244 ppm. Now resolution examples: number of bits n equal to 4. We can consider n equal to, next, for 4-bit deck, formula n. Number of output cores 2 raised to n equal to 16. Number of states in output 2 raised to n minus 1, that is 15. 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1. Here are the different example of resolutions. Now application for digital to analog converter. We are going to discuss different applications that is considering as a digital to analog converters. First, voltage controller amplifier, digital input, external reference voltage as control. Next one, that is digitally operated attenuator, external reference voltage as input, and digital control is also there. Programmable filter. Application for digital to analog converters: digital audio, CD player, MP3 player, telephone, etc. are digital to analog converter, in which we can say in CD player, CD is writing into the binary format, sector are filled by writer, and it is read by CD player. It is read from CD in terms of, it is read by laser or pointer and converted into voice. Same way MP3 player, telephone in terms we are dialing number, and that is in binary format, and it is going to convert into electronic current signal and transfer to receiver side. Next, function generator, digital oscilloscope, digital input, analog output, signal generators, sine wave generate, square wave generate, triangle wave generation, random noise generation. All our analog signals are generated by function generator, in which we can give input in terms of values 1, etc. In terms of binary value we are giving as input, and it is converted to signals. These are the applications of digital to analog converters. Next one, cruise control of any four-wheel vehicle, valve control, motor control, for power, valve control for force, and cruise control for all the accessories of vehicle. Type of TAC. Many types of TACs are available like binary weighted register, R2R loader, multi-deck, multiplier deck, non-multiplier deck, etc. Or these are example of digital to analog converter in which amount of the weighted and R2R are commonly used. This is binary weighted register general concept in which here we can give LSB value and here MSB value. That is example 8R, 4R, 2R and R. All are ground. We are passing binary format value from here and it is going to take output from here. Utilize the inverter weighted ampere circuit. Weighted register are used to distinguish each bit from the most significant to less significant. Binary weighted register. Here we can say input equal to 111, last significant and most significant. We are passing from here output value LSB to MSB and it is passing here and getting output in terms of voltage. These are the example of analog to digital to analog converter. Thank you.